Here we're gonna do the tool set. Now the machine at the position of the tool set, and tool number 1, then it's become tool T1000. T number 2 is T200, and then T129, then it's become T2100. Okay, so what you do is we go to set up right there, and then to MGT, and then you see right there the tool length. See this one minus 144.7. What does that mean? It means the distance between tool number 1 and tool number 2 is the distance difference is 144.7, which is this number. And then come down first, go down first. You can see the tool right there. See, tool 1, tool 2. You can see that this the distance between it is 148.7 and 72.6. That means the tool number 1 and then that tool, the distance is different is 148.7, and Y, the difference is 72.6. Okay, let's go ahead, and then we do the tool set. Then we go AMT, and this is the tool number 1, then 100. If number 2, then 200. You can see right there. And this is the distance that you go down, how fast you go down first. It's gonna go down first, right? And then it's gonna come slowly to the tool. Okay, go ahead. Tool set. If you're not sure, we can MPG first. AMT start right there. We click start. Then it come down. See, come down. And then we can use the MPG to locate, and then it will hit the tool number 1. And then when it hit, it will go up. It will hit 2 times to make sure. Hit 2 times, then go up. Okay. And when it go up, you can see the tool. Go by do my T2. You can number 2. By do T2 ก่อน. We set the at the 2 MPG. You can see the tool number 1. The C difference is already there already. Alright, that minus 97. Okay, then we do tool number 2 again, and then tool number 2. Then we input 200 right there, and then put MPG dry to make sure. AMT start. Then AMT start. And to come down. Then you can see. Hit 1. Second time. And confirm the 3rd time, and then go up. Okay, let's go up. Then you can see the parameter difference right there. Okay, once we get that parameter, okay, then we can do the G54 and then start do the 2 chain, cutting 2 chain. Okay, let's go.